Hi guys, today I will explain how to find wallet private keys in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application, once it will be open. This one is the home page of my Trust Wallet, and before doing anything, make sure your app is up to date. And the next thing is, you have to click on the setting icon, which is on the left top for getting access to your wallet. Once you click on it on the top, you will see your wallet. In order to get access, click on it. Here, if you have more than a single wallet, then all the wallets will be shown here, but I have only one. So that's why I need to click on these three doors. But you have to choose what you want. Here, you will see two options of Google Drive Backup and Manual Backup before clicking on the option Manual Backup. Let me tell you one thing, once I will click on it, the next screen will turn into black due to the security purpose of Trust Wallet. But once you will do it on your own mobile, then everything will be shown and you can see your private keys easily. So let me click on it. If you set a passcode, then here you have to enter your passcode. Now here you will see your keys. Like I said, the screen will turn into black, but you will see it on your own mobile. And it was the way by which you can find wallet private keys easily.